Hey Coffin Girls, so today's video is gonna be a designer brand video. I don't know the rules as far as mentioning brands or putting brands on the title, so I'm not gonna even say the brand. I just hope you like it. I didn't record the whole setup of me doing the acrylic on, the base of these because I just really wanted to get the base down and cut down the length of the video. My videos are like freaking forever. Even with me editing, this video is still 17 minutes long. If you guys stick around for the 17 minutes, glory, hallelujah, thank you so much because these are long videos. Like, I've actually been contemplating cutting it down and doing one nail videos just to see if I can cut the time frame down. I love long videos myself, but not everybody has 20 minutes to watch a video, so I understand. But if you're like me and you're obsessed with watching nail videos, then you probably don't mind. But, for those of you that do, I'm so sorry. Fast forward to the end. In this style, I am using jelly polish. As you see, that is Azure, Azure. I'm probably butchering the name. I always butcher names. I think what is that brand? Metal One. I literally called it Metalones or Metalones or some kind of crap the whole time that I was doing videos. And then someone finally was like, I think it's Metal Ones. And I was like, oh, okay. Well, anyways, I am probably butchering it. So, anyways, I went in with the orange and a pink. And it's not really, I think I had done some that had yellow and pink, and I liked them a lot better. I was thinking that the orange and pink was going to be my jam, and I do like it. Don't get me wrong, I do like it. But I end up going back in over the orange with some yellow just to add a little more of a color shift for it. And I like the way it came out, so I'm good on these. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want me to do more videos like this. I have a ton of nail art, and I have quite a set of options of things coming up. So let me know what you guys like to see in the comments. I really want to hear from you and see what y'all want to see, because I love doing these. Either way, it's practice for me, and it's also art, which I can do art all day, every day. Don't get me started. I will be in here playing for days. But just let me know in the comments what you guys want to see and what you think about these. I am currently obsessed with this Make Art light. The Make Art light is so fantastic. It is really a game changer for me. I love that I can just click it, it turns on. You can click it and it turns off. To me, that's amazing. And I really like it. I don't know if any of you guys use it, but you should really give it a chance. If you don't use it and you need something just simple and easy like this, to where you just want to hold it above it and boom, get it done quick, then give it a try. That one's really cool. dun, 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 dun. I don't know if, again, if we're allowed to really say name brands. I sure know I'm not naming my video the name brand or anything like that. But let me know in the comments if you guys know the rules about that, because I'm really not a huge rule breaker when it comes to things like this. I don't want to get dinged or anything like that by YouTube. So let me know if any of y'all know the rules about this. I need to look into it a little more. But I really like these little nail stickers. They are so super cute. And I'm excited to get to use them. I just got them, as y'all saw in one of my nail haul videos. And so I am going to be doing, a few videos with different little options for them. Let me know what you think.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand. Just look on.
Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. I'm so excited to still be doing videos for you guys. If you hear the clack, 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 that's my dog walking through my room. They're hot messes. They just came in from outside, so they're all excited to be in here. I am so happy to be doing videos for you guys. Please click the like button and the subscribe button and the notification bell. I plan on doing a lot more, so hit me up and let me know what you like to see. Love you. See you later. Bye.